Hi. Look, someone's coming. Hi. Yay. Oh. This is just a little midway update. We're in Coffs Harbour, somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Literally somewhere in the middle of nowhere on the way to Sydney. Stopped by a fuel station.
Look at the amount of chips that's in here.
Turn right.
Yeah, that's what you kind of get when you get small snack fries.
That's funny.
It's currently 4 a.m. in the morning. We are 1 hour away from getting to Newcastle. My friends are in the fuel station. Shh, they're coming back.
Two hours later.
So divide the 45.
We made another stop.
Oh, hi.
Right.
Rah. Fucking nunny. I did it. 2 minutes later.
Yeah, see?
We're actually gonna come out to run near like a beach too, which is so cool. You know, it looks good.
I can't run in the sand.
Holy shit.
Wow.
I have a feeling the beach might look nice.
Yes, definitely, yeah.
It's so nice to come down here too. Look, so much is showing up like this wide,
Wow. It's just sad that the camera can't take it.
No, that looks really, that's beautiful. We're too perfectionist. Ben.
Yes.
He loves to film.
Where is he at? It's all the way up there.
All the way at the wall.
There's a wild spike bottle in his natural habitat amongst the trees. Crikey, it's a big one. Crikey. Oh, crikey, it's a wild spike bottle. It's in the bush. Look, definitely my attack. Oh, shit. Trying to clean my face. You know, it's not helping, you know.
This is why you wear shoes.
Fuck.
It's fine.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Look, someone's coming. Hi.
The sun's being blocked by bed.
Yay.
Wait, hold on.
Oh. There.
Can't touch it. I can't see it.
I thought you were just gonna lift her up a second. It's like, okay.
I got a eggs Benedict with bacon on a Turkish bread. What did you get, Ben?
I got myself a secret burger.
Secret burger. Okay, okay. And Yo-Yo?
I got eggs.
Mediterranean.
Style.
It's essentially European style.
It's good.
Wow.
Bacon looks.
That looks really well poached, not gonna lie. And the bacon.
The bacon looks so good.
Yummy.
That's so disturbing.
It's by the head because that's the wax. That's the making one.
That's disturbing.
This started in the 18th century.
Overnight, all the bushmen are hard riding where the wild bush horses are, and the stock horse snuffs the battle with delight. There was Harrison who made his pile when Pardon won the cup, and the old man with his hair as white as snow.
Ned Kelly.
Ah.
When his blood was spilled.
He's quite tall.
Wait, he's actually really tall. Oh my god. Einstein. Wow. Cool. Queen Elizabeth.
God.
Wow, that was so
Wait, can you go?
How 2 meters something looks like.
Wow.
That was so cool. That is sick.
Stand on that?
I'm a smart.
Smart Iron Man.
I mean, he's a genius.
Oh my god!
I'm assigning all available members into Justice League. We need your help to defeat X. Our freedom guide you via specialized digital devices and strength to see. Look for the glowing arrow symbols and tap X.
Press the right button.
Mission before it's too late. To join the leading city city, first you need to escape Let's Go. Push that glowing button next to the doors.
Oh god.
Yeah, DC.
Wow. Yeah. Wow.
DC universe. It's cool.
Batman! Batman! Wow. Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp, Ben. Ben, Johnny Depp. Wow.
He looks so fabulous with his bag now, doesn't he?
Oh, look
My
at
god,
fabulous.
fancy.
Wow.
to say hi. Like it's coming to say hi. 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 Oh, look, it's coming. The big one. Look, it's the one that looks like it has like a smiling face. Am I alone? Why am I not going down? Oh, my friend's coming. Maybe I should wait for him. As soon as the other one started going down, he's down going too. Thank you. Oh, they're so careful. That is an attention seeker. I love that. Let's go. So
Snowing?
We're on the shores of beautiful Macquarie. This island is home to overflowing penguins. I'm pretty sure we'll find a colony of friendly and gentle.
Whoa!
The freezer is so high and it's easily cold.
Keep your eyes peeled, guys. We've had reports of a colony of pink and gentle.
Smells like fish.
I told you that. Look at the looking at the outside. Really? Is that technically ice? Hi. Oh my god, that's so cute.